Hey, what's going on? I'm Luke here with Foxscapes. We're out here today in Okemos. We just wrapped up this beautiful project. Let's check it out. This whole project started when the homeowner decided to put this addition right here on their home, and that gave them the perfect reason to make this outdoor living space. And knowing our clients and how much they host, we decided to bring the restaurant vibe to them. So you can see right to my left, we got inlays cut out where we've got 2 tables and chairs, and beyond the frame right now, we've got more tables and chairs over there on a paver inlay as well. From there, we installed this timeless Unilock walkway. It's Unilock Town Hall brick. It's old school, which plays with the property and the traditional farmhouse. The pattern selected really ties everything together, and just the way that the walkways run, it goes from the pickleball courts through the dining area, past the hot tub, into the driveway, tying it all together. As I was designing this space, I wanted to give them a spot where in the morning time they can come out and sit, eat their breakfast, drink their coffee, and look over the backyard. And this does just that. It's kind of separate from the dining area and the hot tub area. It's got a courtyard feel with this circle on the walkway, and it serves as great overflow seating for when there's a lot of people over. And right here we got the showstopper. This is an in-ground fiberglass hot tub, custom, one of one, built to the space to fit the customer's needs. Like I said, every single part of this hot tub is custom, from the custom fiberglass shell to the sandstone coping, which overhangs the custom brick surround by 1.5 inches. And as we work our way over here, they got a little seating ledge for when you're getting too hot in the hot tub, you can sit on the edge, lean back, and just talk to your family. And quite literally, to top it all off, we got an auto cover that covers the hot tub. At the end of the night, when you're done, right next to the door, you got the keypad, type in your code, click close, and that thing will slide over and cover the hot tub. The landscape plantings here are designed to have the evergreen space throughout. So in the wintertime, you got seasonal interest. You've got some daylilies, some hydrangeas for seasonal color, and then you have a couple other pops of color with the annual planters and the spaces that really matter when you're hanging out outside when the weather's nice. Everything we did here was working with the new addition. We want to make the outdoor space feel just as upgraded as the inside. So now they have a backyard that's functional, beautiful, and ready to enjoy. If you got an outdoor living space you want to reimagine, give us a call and we'd love to help you out.